Smooth is your default smoothing brush for softening and relaxing your surface while retaining most of your overall forms. Quick toggle from any brush to the smooth brush temporarily by holding the shift key. The results of your smooth is dependent on both your Z intensity and the density of your mesh resolution. Smooth Alt is a softer version of your smooth brush. Smooth Cloth is made to smooth out cloth or wrinkles. Smooth Peaks will only smooth out the highest points and edges on your mesh. This brush is good for lowering the contrast of details or adding a stylized effect. Smooth Valleys will only smooth the lowest points of areas of your mesh. This brush is great for filling holes. Remember, your smoothing results are dependent on your mesh resolution and your Z intensity.